Hey, what's up? It's Glamorous Marina channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to click and subscribe to my channel and join this beautiful growing family of mine. So today I'm going to be talking about treatments and the best treatment to use on your hair. So my hair been damaged, it's growing now, and I really love how it's growing. It's growing more healthier and more stronger. So what I did on growing my hair was I used the treatment. It's amazing. So I bought the one in the package. I don't know if they sell them in a bottle, but I bought myself in the little sample package, and what I did was I apply it to my hair, and it will give you like how much minutes on how to use, like with how much minutes to leave it on your hair. And I use the package like twice, and it really helps straighten my hair and grows my hair. So the product is called Dugrow, and I saw online that they had an oil, so I'm going to be buying the oil treatment also to grow my hair. And the also I used was AfroG. I don't know if you've heard about AfroG. AfroG treatment is like a protein treatment. I used it. So every 3 months I would treat my hair. So I let 3 months pass, then I tried AfroG in my hair. So AfroG is also a treatment, a protein treatment. It's in a big bottle, and I bought the little sample bags bottles because it's more affordable for me. So what you do is they will give you directions on how to use the AfroG treatment thing here, and you have to let it stay in your hair until it dry. So what you need to do is get a little dryer and then dry it so it can be hard, so the treatment can be very hard in your hair. And like using these two treatments, I really honestly saw results in my hair, especially in the back of my hair. Like it was so super short. And remember, when your hair is damaged, don't be afraid to cut the ends, because you can also, when you're growing natural, when your hair is damaged, the ends get really dry and the ends get really kind of curly, and you can see the difference between the roots and the ends. So I recommend you to cut the ends of your hair. To cut like the split ends. So that's what I did. So because if you don't cut the split ends, it's gonna keep like walking distance to the root of your hair, and your hair is never going to grow, and it's never going to have length. So when my hair was damaged, I was not afraid to cut the ends. I'm not telling you to cut the whole cut your hair like very short, but just to cut it, because that really helped me in that. Sometimes when your hair damaged, you want to cut everything off. Sometimes you just have to cut the ends. Let's start by cutting the ends of your hair, and start by buying treatments like Dugrow treatment and AfroG treatment. These are the amazing treatment that I use in my hair, and I see the results in my hair, and I wanted to share with y'all like what type of treatment to use and what type of product to use in your hair. So yeah.